questions, you can just put into the comment area. Welcome new friends, welcome old friends, welcome to doing live stream. This is Danny here. And also, according to today's live stream, if you do have any questions, you can just put your question into the comment area. At the beginning, let me start to introduce our company first. Our company is located in Henan, Zhengzhou Province, and our factory is located in Jiangsu, Henan Province. And also, today's live stream, we're just talking about how big about the pyrolysis plant. And also, during today's live stream, any questions, you can just put into the comment area. And by the way, Henan Doing Companies is established in 2011. Until now, we have already more than 13 years experience. And also, we have a lot of the equipments outboard, and also a lot of the customers give us good feedback. And we help a lot of the clients to build their factory and installation about their equipment. Yes, Henan Doing Environment Companies, we are not only have the equipment, we also have the technical team, we also have our engineer team, and also for the installation team. And also, today's live stream is mainly to talking about how big is the pyrolysis oil market, and what can we do about the pyrolysis oils. What is the pyrolysis oils will be introduced in today's live stream. Yes, any questions you can just put into the comment area directly. By the way, today's live stream is meaning to introduce how big about the pyrolysis plant. And everyone, any questions you can just put into the comment area. And in Henan Doing Companies, we are not only have the equipment suitable for the waste terrace, with the plastic, with the oil sludge, and also for the coal tar. Those kind of the materials we can let it become the pyrolysis oils. And what can we do for them? Okay, sorry guys, just now I forgot to turn off about my video's voice. I'm so sorry. And also, oh yeah, let me start to introduce our company and introduce our equipment one more time. And by the way, everyone, this is Henan Doing Environmental Companies. Until now, we already have the 13 years experience, and also our company is established in 2011. Until now, we have more than 30 years experience. And also in the back, the video is talking about our bathtub pyrolysis machines. So in Henan Doing Environmental Companies, we have the shredder, we have crusher, we have the bathtub pyrolysis plant, and also we have the continuous pyrolysis plant. Also for the semi-continuous pyrolysis plant, it will be help you to let the pyrolysis with the terrace, with the plastic, coal tar, oil sludge into the pyrolysis oil. And also our company have the distillation machines. For the distillation machines, is meant to introduce to make the pyrolysis oils into the diesels. So today's live stream is meant to introduce you guys about our equipment. So any questions you can just put into the comment area. If you have the raw materials with the terrace, with the plastic, with the engineer oils, and also for the pyrolysis oils, we will help you to make it into the diesels. So according to today's live stream, as meaning to introduce the business and meaning to introduce how it's working about the processing line. So by the way, at the beginning, you have to know for the waste theory about the oil yield. A lot of people they know, yeah, waste theory with the plastic can become the pyrolysis oils, but you're not sure about the oil yield. So today I was meaning to introduce those parts for you. For the waste theory is according to different theories. It's about the vehicle tariffs, about the truck tariffs, basic tariffs, and also for the car tariffs. The different tariffs, they have the different oil yield, and the percent zone is between the 14% until the 45%. That is the oil yield zones. And also the oil yield about the waste tariffs was the 14% to 45%. And also according to the waste plastic, yeah, everybody know the plastic, they have a lot of the materials to make it. For examples, some people they put the pure PP, pure PE, pure PPS. That is the special raw materials. If you get clean and pure PPPPS, the oil yield is above the 18%. Yeah, it's 0%. So you will get it 0% about the oils and also for the 10% about the carbon black. That is the final products. But if you have other materials, you can just make the different things into the different things. So today's live stream was meaning to introduce our equipments and introduce those departments. Yeah, and also according to Doing's company, we have the equipments. In the back of me, this video was talking about the batch-step pyrolysis machine, and also we have the semi-continuous pyrolysis machines, and also for the fully automatic continuous pyrolysis machines. And also today, I would like to introduce how it works. I would like to introduce how this one working, and also for the waste tariffs, we have the different the final products. The meaning is the oil yield because we can whereby the oil yield to earn a lot of the monies, and also we have other products, for example, the carbon black, the tail gas, and also for the waste tariffs, we have some steel wires. So it is contain what kind of the materials you have and what is the final products you get. And also for the pyrolysis oils, it has a very great market for its weld applications. It will be help us to earn a lot of money. And for the pyrolysis oil machines, it have the huge fuel oils and a lot of the things here. So according to today's live stream, if you do have any questions, you can just put your comments into the comment area. Welcome new friends, welcome everyone. Yeah, for the pyrolysis oil, it has a good market, and also our waste pyrolysis plant can treat many different solid waste. For examples, we have the waste tariffs and waste plastic into the pyrolysis oils. And also, let's take the waste tariff as the raw materials to see how economic values the pyrolysis plant can bring to you, and whether waste pyrolysis plant is economic or not. So the fuel oils, carbon black, and the steel wires are the three main products. So different products, they have the way to using it. Yes. So we are Henan Doing Companies, a leading manufacturer of waste to fuel recycling machines into China's and waste tariffs with the plastic oils large pyrolysis plant pyrolysis oils to diesel distillation if you need that. Welcome new friends, welcome to our live stream. If you guys do have any questions, you can just put into the comment area. And right now the pyrolysis plant, pyrolysis oils all over the world is very useful and it is in the high price, especially in Russia and especially Indians. The pyrolysis oils will be using to a lot of the situations. For examples, we have a lot of the Indian friends. They are very interested about our equipments, and they buy our equipments. They put the waste plastic inside, and it will be help them become into the waste pyrolysis oils. And also for the equipment, it has the different capacities. Every equipment is follow your heart is following. And also we have the different equipments. For examples, we have the different capacities. For the batch type pyrolysis machines, we have the 15 tons per batch, 20 tons per batch, 13 tons per batch, 14 tons per batch, and 15 tons per batch. And also for the fully automatic continuous plant, we have the different capacities as well. The smallest one is the 15 tons per batch. The largest one is the 50 tons per batch. So in the middles, we have the different capacities. And also for the batch type pyrolysis machines, we have the 100 kg per batch, 500 kg per batch, 1 tons, 2 tons, 5 tons, 10 tons, and also 12 tons and 14 tons. For the different equipments, you can choose any one. You can choose which capacities you have, which capacities you need. And right now, for the pyrolysis oils, it has very big and very great the performance. If you guys are need about our equipment, you can just put your WhatsApp numbers and your email on the comment area. So our customer service will connect with you very immediately. Welcome new friends, welcome to our live stream. And for Henan doing companies, we have more than 100 countries who still using our equipments. For examples, we have the fully automatic continuous pyrolysis plant in America, and also we have these equipments for Russia, India, Spain, Brazil, Kazakhstan. They have our fully automatic continuous pyrolysis plant. For the batch type pyrolysis plant, we have it a lot of countries, for example, Thailand, India, South Africa, Macedonia, and also for Bangladesh, and also for Malaysia, Singapore, who still using our batch type pyrolysis machines. And also for different countries and also for different equipments, they have the different policies. So we will according to your policies to make a lot of the equipments here. And also for today's live stream, we'll be introduce the batch type pyrolysis machines, how it's working, for introduce this part for you. Any questions you can put into the comment area anytime. So I will according to your questions to give you a successful and a great answers for you. And right now, let me start to put our videos in front of here. So this is the 6th whole processing line about the 12 tons pyrolysis plant. So meaning for the pyrolysis plant, we have to tell you it according to different materials. They are have the different the equipments. For examples, bathtub pyrolysis plant you can using for any raw materials. It doesn't matter you have with the rubber powder, with the terrace, with the plastic, or all the with the coal tar, the oil sludge, it can suitable for the bathtub pyrolysis plant. And also for this whole processing line is meaning to separate two departments. For examples, the first department is for the pyrolysis reactors. The second about the cooling system. So for this whole processing line, mainly we can separate it into the cooling system and then to separate it into the pyrolysis plant. This is a track we can put the waste terrace into this track. So firstly, we can put our fully automatic. This is the automatic feeding machines. We can squeeze the waste terrace. We can squeeze the waste terrace into these reactors. For examples, we can just put the waste terrace in here. And also for these machines, the automatic feeding machines, we have the different capacity as well. It has the 15 tons pressures and also for the 100 tons pressures. We just squeeze the waste terrace into the reactors. And also these reactors for the pyrolysis plant reactor, it has the covers. This covers is suitable for the to connect with this reactor with the frank connect, and they using the revent to connect with the covers. And also for the revent, it will help the reactor under the no oxygen to get the pyrolysis. And in the forward and backward, they have the target. For the bearing, it will be bring the reactor running. It will be bring the reactor turn. So it has the reactor in front and also for this one in the back. It has the forward and backward here. This is the pyrolysis plant. It is the pyrolysis plant. And also for this one, we can using the burners to heat our reactor. At the same time, you can put the wood, you can put the natural gas. Also, you can using the burners, the pyrolysis oils to heat this reactor. By ourselves, you can just heat it directly. Hello new friends, hello everyone, welcome to Doing's live stream. This is Debbie. Today we just meaning to talking about how big about the pyrolysis market. The answer is yes, the market was very big. And also according to today's live stream is meaning to introduce the equipments and introduce more informations here. And if you guys have any questions or equipments, you can just put your equipments into the comment area. So today's live stream will be continuous until the 11, and also our WhatsApp numbers is 8613526692320. Our WhatsApp numbers is 135 26692320. If you are interested about our equipment, you can just leave your WhatsApp numbers or your email to connect with us. So right now I just meaning to introduce our batch cell pyrolysis plant. This is the reactors, and also for this reactor they have the burners to heat our reactors. And also with the terrace, when the temperature reach to 180 until the 400 degrees, they supposed to have some steam and some waste, have some oil gas will flow in the back. So the best temperature zone was the 300 degree between the 400 degree. That is a good temperature zone. And then the oil gas will be flew back into this flew back into the cooling system. But here in the reactor, I want to share some information to you. For this reactor, it is meaning to using the different materials to make it. If you have the waste terrace or the waste plastic, you can choose the different boiler plate Q245R and Q345R. It is according to what kind of the materials you have. If you have some waste terrace, waste plastic cold towel, the Q345R, Q45R, and the Q345R, it is the boiler plate is totally enough to use. But if you have the different materials, for example, if you have some oil sludge, we just meaning to introduce, you can using the steel plate. The steel plate for these reactors. And also for these reactors is meaning to separate two departments, two parts. The first one is the installation covers. The second one is the reactors. So if you have the installation covers or the reactors, we can manage to make the temperatures without outspring, and also make the reactor working very properly. And also for this reactor, it will be help you to do it very well. So the oil gas will be flow in the back here. And also for the outside of the installation covers, it is contain the different materials. For the installation covers, we are using the steel structure, steel plate, rocking wood, and also refractory rocking wood to make these reactors more great. And then it will be flew into the bag. This is our buffer tank. For the buffer tank is meant to reduce the oil gas speed, and also can make the oil gas very well. And also it is contain the four step about the cooling part. And also in this 4 step, it has 7 condensers. First, they have the 2 vertical condensers. Outside is the recycling waters. Inside is the oil gas. So for this bathtub pyrolysis plant, we don't have any pollutions. No water pollutions, no fire pollutions, because we are meaning to make this we are meaning to make the good about the environment. Our equipment is mainly environmental equipment, because we don't have the waste of waters, waste of aires and also for the waste discharging things. So here outside is the recycling waters, inside is the oil gas. This is our buffer tank. This is the oil tank, temporary oil tank. And also outside of the temporary oil tank, they have the recycling waters. And this is our oil water separators. It will be separate the oils and also for the waters. On the top here is the recycling oils. It is oils on the buttons. It is the oil gas. It can make the oil gas into the oils, and also for the water here, it can wash the oil gas again. This is our horizontal condensers. And 19% oil gas will be cooled in horizontal condensers because for each of them, they have the 13.7 tubage. Outside is the recycling waters, inside is the oils. And then, see, the oil gas as will be cooled into the oils. 19% oil will be cooled in here. And this is the cooling towers. When the fire was so big, when the temperature is so high, the oil gas will be flued so fast. So the cooling towers will be collected those first the oil gas into the oils. And then it is the water safe. On the back here is the auto removal system. For the auto removal system, it has the buffer tank, the spray towers, and also for the water safe. It will be remove the bad smell. It's like the very bad smell. It will be become it. It will be remove it. For the auto removal system, it will be remove some NO bad smell, SO bad smell, H2S bad smell. So if you guys have any bad smell, you can just remove from this auto removal system. After that, it only have the tail gas. For the tail gas, it contains two departments, two parts. One is uncondensable gas, the other one is the oil gas. The other one is the tail gas. So it is for uncondensable gas, it will be as the fuel gas to heat our reactors. You will see here. This is the reactors. So we can ask the tail gas to heat our reactors. For examples, the tail gas working 4 hours, and also for the pyrolysis oils to heat our reactor can work 2 or 3 hours. So the whole processing line about the heating time is around 7 to 8 hours. 7 to 8 hours, it will be heat this reactor very well, and also it will be help you to save some fuel oils. So it is very convenient, and also it is let you get more profit here. So guys, if you are interested about this equipment, or if you are interested about this whole processing line, you can just put your questions into the comment area. By the way, this is Henan doing environmental companies. This is Demi here. And also, If you are interested, welcome to contact with us if you are interested. Our WhatsApp numbers is 86 plus 86 135 2669 2320. Our WhatsApp numbers is 86 135 2669 2320. If you are interested, please connect with us, alright? WhatsApp numbers is 86 135 2669 2320. And also this week we will bring you guys to our factory if we have the chance. So if you want to see our factory, if you want to know more about us, you can just put your questions or your email on the WhatsApp or your WhatsApp numbers to the comment area. So our customer service will contact with you very immediately. Alright, so guys, if you do have any questions, just please tell me. Okay, so right now let me continue to introduce the bathtub pyrolysis plant. This is the way the tail gas as a fuel to heat our reactors. This is the 2-3 towers, and also this is the this is the distillation machines. This is the desulfurization towers. Just try to remove the bad smell, for examples, NO smell, SO smell, CO smell. CO smell, and also for other things. And this is the way to collect the extra tail gas together to heat this burning room. And also for the burning room, we can using the tail gas, we can using the burners to heat it. Make sure our factory, our worker shops is very safety. Here, this is the first cooling system. It has the 4 outlet and 4 inlet. One is on the bottom, one is on the top, and they have the angles, and also it will be fast cooling about these reactors because we have to remove the steel wires and carbon black from this reactor. Before we open it, we need to make sure it is on the safety zone. We need to wait until the temperature under the 18 degrees. You will see here. This is discharging the carbon black here. The carbon black will be discharged from this side. We can discharge the carbon black from here. And also, we will transfer from here. It is the carbon black transport system. It will be collect all the carbon black together. This is the carbon black transfer system. And on the back here, this is the porous dust they collect. Will be collect some dust. And also for the carbon black, you can just grading it. For if you grading it, it will be as the shoes as the new terrace materials to make the new terrace. Also, you can put some sticky things, and also it will be sticky into the bowl, breaking it into a bowl. You can heat it. You can add it as a fuse to heat some things. And this is the last step. We can pull out all the steel wires from these reactors. any question, guys, you can just put into the comment area. So Demi will answer your question very immediately, very frequently. This is the steel wires. We can collect it very well. And the last step, we will pull out all the oils from the temporary oil tank. Temporary oil tank will be collect all the oils together here. So that is the whole processing line about the bathtub pyrolysis plant. For our bathtub pyrolysis plant, we have the different capacities. The smallest one, we can make it into 100 degrees for 100 kg per batch, and also 500 kg per batch, 1 tons per batch, 5 tons per batch, 10 tons per batch, 12 tons per batch, and also for the 15 tons per batch. But now we have some guests, they are asking about the 18 tons per batch. So we can according to your special requirement to make the special design for you. That is very great. So if you guys are interested about any equipment, you can just tell us. You can just connect with us. And right now, for the pyrolysis plant, for the pyrolysis oils, Honduran Environment as the leader of the manufacturing of the waste to fuel recycling machines in China. We have the equipment for the bathtub pyrolysis plant, fully automatic continuous pyrolysis plant, and also for other equipments. If you guys about any ones, you can just put your WhatsApp numbers or email to us. We can connect with you. And also for how big about the pyrolysis oil market is the pyrolysis plant economic. So pyrolysis oil has a very good market for the wild applications. Firstly, it is a kind of the finance fuel or the heavy fuel, which can be widely used as the heating fuel for the various kinds of the industries, such as the steel factories, a cement factory, boiler factory, and the glass factory. Besides, pyrolysis oil can be used for heavy oil generators to generate electricity. No matter used as the heating fuel or the generator electric, both can create the great economic values. Our waste pyrolysis plant can treat many different solid waste such as the waste tires, waste rubbers, plastic, oil sludge into the pyrolysis oils. Let's take the waste tires as the raw materials to see how economic values the pyrolysis plant can bring you up, and whether waste pyrolysis plant is economic or not. Fuel oils, carbon black, and steel wires are three main commercial products which can be obtained through the pyrolysis plant. Following is about the percent of the products and their general applications. For the fuel oils, about the waste tariffs and the oil yield is 14% to 45%. The main application of the oil product producing by our recycling is the fuel oils that is well using for industrial and economic purpose. 14% to 45% oils of the amount of the recycling scrap tariffs can be carried with the licensed tank truck. And also for the carbon black powders is according to 13% to 35%. The second product of the waste tariffs pyrolysis plant. Hello, Tiva. Hello, how are you? Welcome to my live stream. And right now we just, for example, about the waste tariffs to introduce the oil yield and the final products to you. If you are interested, you can just put your comments into the comment area and connect with us, all right? So for the carbon black, this carbon black price is very competitive compared to the carbon black. So our pyrolysis carbon black is the good options instead of carbon black. And also for the steel wire scrap, flammable plastic glass cases, they have the different materials here. So if you're interested, you can see our main page. You will see the profit over there. So, and also you can just try to connect with us. It doesn't matter you leave your WhatsApp numbers or your email here. Our customer service will contact with you very immediately. So right now, guys, if you're interested, please contact with Honandoing Environmental Companies. Our company is a leader manufacturer of the waste tires with the plastic recycling machines in China. And also, if you're interested, please leave your WhatsApp numbers and your email on the comment area. And by the way, our WhatsApp numbers is 8613526692320. So guys, please try to contact with us. And right now, let me show you the other equipment is about the fully automatic continuous pyrolysis plant. For the fully automatic continuous pyrolysis plant, it also separates the different parts. The reactors, the cooling system, it is separates these two different parts. And also for this equipment, it is meaning to make it very well. So it is separate the reactors. Yeah. But for the fully automatic continuous pyrolysis plant, it is more longer than the reactor is more longer than the bathtub pyrolysis plant. This is the auto removal system. It is the same for the bathtub pyrolysis plant. Also have the buffer tank, spray tower, water stays to make this very well. This is the water safe. It will be flue in the back here. It will be as the fuel gas to heat our reactors. So the latest design fully continuous pyrolysis machine production line. Here I was meaning to introduce it. For the fully automatic continuous pyrolysis is meaning suitable for the waste tires. But for the waste tires at the beginning you supposed to be make it into with the rubber powders into the small pieces is around 20 mesh to 24 mesh. So that is the way you have to. And also for the waste plastic, it will make it for you very well. This is the one. This is the waste rubber powders you can use in the hoist to transfer to the reactor, because our reactor for the good the environment for this one, it is supposed to be under pressures, zero pressures, and under no oxygens, so we can make it into the pyrolysis. And this is the one to make with the rubber powders to put it inside these reactors. This is a hoister, and then we'll go another hoister. These two, they are different. We can squeeze it to the reactors. You can see at the beginning here, we are heat our reactor but heat the airs, because we building the different burning room here. So the burners try to heat this reactor by heat the air. You will see they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 burning room. So we can make the reactor long. We can make this reactor long things. Make this reactor long life for this one. And then we will heat this reactor very well. On the middles, we have the tag here. We can, it is supposed these two reactors, and also it will be running as well. So just reduce the pressure of the forward and the backward, the bearing here. Hello, new friends. Any questions you can just put into the comment area. So guys, any questions you can just put into the comment area. Okay. Okay, so guys, this is the way about the waste pyrolysis oils, how it's working. Hi, Gandia. Hello, Gandia. Welcome to Doing Companies. You're looking for the flexible cord wear vitamin. Hi, honey. This is our Doing Companies. We can help you to make the waste terrace into the pyrolysis oils. Thanks for my followers. The Gandia, how are you those days? Long time no see, honey. So guys, this is about the waste pyrolysis plant, how it's working. How to take the government permissions? Gandia, you already go with the government permissions, right? We can send you some documents because we have a lot of the Indian talent. We have the Indian customers. Yeah, Gandia, you can leave your WhatsApp numbers and your email. So I will let my professional sales manager contact with you very immediately. The government is permissions in India. We have a lot of the experience. Yeah, honey, that is your WhatsApp numbers, right? 9163787. Okay. Okay, Gandian, I will let my sales manager contact with you very immediately. Thanks for leave your WhatsApp numbers here. Send us documents submit to government for the promotions. No problem. You can talk with our sales manager here. No problem, honey. No problem. Do you know we have our equipment in India? A lot of the companies. I'm not sure if you know that the factory in India, he's still using our fully automatic continuous pyrolysis machines in India for now. It is in Mumbai. How to say that word in English? It is Mumbai. Let me check it. Let me check how can we read this word. Yeah, it is in Bombay. Send us in India your buyers details who have always running continuous terry pyrolysis plant. No problem. You can talk with my customer. You can talk with our professional sales managers. By the way, Gandia, how big about the pyrolysis plant you need? It is the 15 tons or 12 tons. No problem. We can send you everything you need, but you can just talk with my customer service for immediately. Indian buyers. No problem. No problem. No problem, Gandia. No problem, honey. No problem. And you know we have a lot of the Indian customers to make the waste terrace with the plastic into the pyrolysis oils. And also it is very expensive in India about the pyrolysis oils as well. You can using the pyrolysis oils to breaking the factories and also to the cement factory, the steel factory, and also you can using it for the glass factories, the boilers, heatings, and also other ones you can add the refining into the diesels here. So with the pyrolysis plant, we'll let you guys to get more information here. And also for this with the pyrolysis plant, it will be using for a lot of the factories. It will be using for a lot of ways. So it is very big about the pyrolysis oil market. It doesn't matter you make it the pyrolysis into everything. You can just get it. You can just using it. And also, if after the distillation out the pyrolysis oil, after you get the refinish, you can just make it into the diesels. And also for the diesels, you can using in different you can using to different the truck, the cargos, big truck, big cargos. You can using it. And also, this is how the waste terrace plant how it's using. if you guys are interested about this one, you can just leave your WhatsApp numbers or your email and contact with us. Okay, I will sit a little bit. You can add it into the refining. So guys, if you want to get with the pyrolysis oils, if you have some raw materials, for examples, with the terrace, with the plastic oils, large quota, you can choose our equipment. Try to make it into the with the pyrolysis plant. If you guys are interested, please contact with us very immediately. And this is Henan doing environmental companies, a leading manufacturer of the waste-to-fuel recycling machines in China. It doesn't matter what kind of the materials you have, just try to leave your WhatsApp numbers or your email. Try to contact with us very immediately. So this is how is the waste pyrolysis plant into the things. So you can get the pyrolysis oils you can using it for the brick factory, cement factory, steel factory, glass factory, boiler heating, and you can refining it into the diesels. You can use after you get the diesels, you can using for big cargos, big trucks. It's up to you. So that is how is the pyrolysis oils using. If you guys are interested, please leave your WhatsApp numbers or your email into the comment area. And also for this live stream will be end after 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes, guys. Please take your chance. Please take your business here. So doing pyrolysis plant. Oh, really? So for Henan doing environmental companies, we are not only have the best pyrolysis plant, we are mainly have the fully automatic continuous pyrolysis plant. We have more than 1,000 factory who still using our equipment. If you guys are interested about anything, it doesn't matter what are you doing about to buy this equipment. You can just leave your emails or your WhatsApp numbers here. And also we have our how to say that word. Let me check how to say that word. Oh, we have a lot of certificate. We have a lot of the our equipment is follow the different European Union certificate. We have it. So if you guys want to get anyone, please try to contact with us. So today we are mainly about talking about what kind of the raw materials into the pyrolysis oils and what kind of the equipment can make the pyrolysis oil. And also for the pyrolysis oils, what can we do, what can we use here. So if you guys are interested, you can just buy it. It will be help you to get a lot of the profit here. Okay, so this is our factory. Actually, this also is our factories. If you have the chance or if you have the time, please come to China to our factory, to our real factories is to building the pyrolysis oils. Our professional sales manager and our professional engineer team are waiting for you come. And also we have our installation team. You don't need to worry about the installation. And also we can make it into very well. So guys, if you have any questions, please try to contact with us. Our WhatsApp numbers is 8613526692320. One more time, our WhatsApp numbers is 861352320. Oh, sorry. Our WhatsApp numbers is plus 8613526692320. So guys, please contact with us. So this live stream will be end for now. If you have any need, please try to contact with our professional sales manager. We are waiting for you. Goodbye everyone. Bye bye. Hi XY, welcome to our live stream. This is Henan doing environmental companies. Hello, Anna John, you are watching about this passage physical separations method good. The copper cable wire recycling machine. Honey, that is not this one. If you are interested, please come tomorrow. We will have the live stream tomorrow, same time here. So today's live stream will be end for now. Please try to contact with us very immediately. Goodbye everyone. Bye bye. You know what? Every time I say okay goodbye, and everybody just come here when very great. So goodbye everyone. Bye bye.